Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell Notion templates on Etsy. First of all, create your custom Notion template. Think about what type of templates people might find useful like planner, habit tracker, and etc. Then click here. Once your template is ready, copy the sharing link by selecting share and enabling access for anyone with the link. Then copy the link. After that, go to Etsy and create a seller account. If you don't have one already, click on sell on Etsy and follow the steps to set up your shop, including entering your payment details and filling out shop information. Now it's time to create a listing for your Notion template. Go to add a listing, upload an image of your template and describe its feature and benefits. In the digital download section, upload a PDF file that include instructions and the link to the template. Set a price for your template, typically between $5 and $20 depending on its complexity. Once everything is set, click publish to make your listing live. And that's it. Your Notion template is now available for sale on Etsy. Make sure to promote it through social media or other channels to attract more buyer. Thanks for watching.